Hey Kati, this is Carol, and I'm just doing this quick video to show you how to access the online content for the workbook, the online workbook. I'm in your account here. I've given you access, you'll see in the super site, to the entire Vistos book. If you look by strand, every strand, most strands will have, at the very bottom, you'll have the online workbook. So from here you can go in, click on the activity, and then preview the content. There's some nice features here. You can go to the page in the vText, which is the virtual text directly. You could look at a vocabulary list. You can also add your own instructor notes. So if there's something that you want to clarify for a student or students, you can do that. And then you've got some other tools here for the students as well. So that is how to access the content for the workbook, or the WebSAM as we call it. And you'll find activities throughout each section. You scroll down of the text, workbook, lab manual, and then the fotonovela has the video manual. So that is also part of it. And that is why, since you're using the book for 2 years, I would recommend definitely incorporating the WebSAM, because it does offer a lot of content, especially since you're using the book for an extended period of time. Okay, thanks so much.